What's up, guys? It's the boy McForex, aka the Living Day TFX. In this video, I'm going to break down how I create my funded account on equity. And the funded account it comes with a lot of rules, strict rules that if you're not very careful, you breach. Alright, so it will be in series to teach you how to create funded accounts, not challenge accounts. Alright, so you have to watch to the end. This is part one of the video. I'll do part two until we get to our target and get our payout. Alright, so let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Then you see. Alright, so I'm going to show you my account, the first account, funded account. Yeah. Alright, now this is the account. Alright, see the account. You can see very well that I have. Okay, let me show you this. I've met my birthday profit. That you can see the first profit you make on a funded account in equity. They call it birthday profit. Alright, so that is $218 34 cents. Alright, what does this mean? Equity, yes, for their funded account, they have a 15% consistency score. Alright, 15% is actually 15 over 100. So the rest 15 divided by 100, we have 0.15. Alright, now that 0.15, this is your first profit on the trade. The first trade you took, that profit you made is a birthday profit. You can see mine is $218.34. So what you need to do is just to say 218.34 divided by 0.15. Alright. Now this will give you mine will give you $1,455.06. What does this mean? This means that for you to get a payout, you need to make up to $1,455.06. Alright. So and also another rule you need to know is that you cannot make above your birthday profit. You can get 200, you can, but don't make above 218. It should be below 218, right? Can be 200, can be 190, but mine I put it to 190, alright? Because I don't want their problem. Not that you can get 200, you say 200 is part of it. So 190 is okay, alright? So I need to get 190, 190 until I get to $1,455.06, alright? I see so far I've taken 10 trees, alright? I see my win rate 60%. Now, this consistency is high. It was 100. So due to loss I took, alright? So I need to trade until it becomes 15%, alright? Don't worry, very simple. So let me show you. You can see here, this is my maximum loss. I'm permitted to lose 3% on the account a day, and then I'll come back again, but I can't lose that today. So I can see I've lost $93, alright, for a day. I've lost that. And you can see my top. It's not that nice, but we'll come back. It's just a matter of time. So when you are trading account like this, don't stop looking at next payout, alright? Focus on. So let's look at this now. This history, you can see that now for this history, you can see this was the first trade. Where is it? Okay, total of this, I think it gave me that 200 and something. Alright, then this was news. Uh, this was yesterday trade. Then this one was due to price shifted structure. I didn't see earlier, so I had to close this trade. So I'm currently in a position where I have to go to my MG5 and show you. Alright. Um, so I'm actually on this trade now. So let me break it down. Alright. Let me break. This is the 1 hour time frame. So I look out for my buyers from the daily time frame. However, if you look at this on the day, you know that the daily time frame is bullish. Alright. It's very much bullish. Alright. But what I'm seeing here is that price has swept this high. There's a sweep of liquidity above this high here. Hope you are seeing that high. So if that is sweep, that means this guy is retracing. Alright. And expect that pullback before price will continue to buy. So instead of you waiting, you can take the counter trend. So that That is what I'm doing. I'm taking the candle frame. If you go to the 4 hour time frame, you will see that as we came here, we have a level of, you know, resistance here. If you go to the lower time frame, let me go to the 2 hours time frame. In 2 hours, what do we see? We are seeing price breaking structure to the upside, but there is a lot of struggle, resistance here. The price is failing to break above that. There's kind of resistance. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, I think that's where I saw. Okay, I think it's on the 30 minutes. So on this 30 minutes, as I came back, after noticing this level of resistance, you can see this week swept the liquidity above this high that I marked. Above that high, you have your buy side liquidity above the high, which price swept. You can see that week there. So price will fall. Alright, whenever there is a sweep like that, expect a massive fall in price. Alright, as it pull back. So this is we are targeting to get $100 on this account. As it is 1 to 3 weeks to reward. So technically speaking, you can see we have the shift in market structure here. This is a shift in a change of character. You can see that this Asian low, we have this shift in market with price pull back. So I expect that continuation all the way to the downside. Alright. And following this level of resistance, you can see as price came here, price resisted, broke, had some issues here, had contemporary issues here, sweeping this high and then price dropped. Changing character. So you don't have any reason to buy this market. We are going to lose. Though we are bullish, but currently market is saying that we should what? We should sell. All right. Wisdom is profitable to direct. You should sell. Come back. All right? So this is the 15 minutes. It's still the same thing that we are seeing. It's still the same thing we are seeing. All right. So it's still the same thing we are seeing. We have a change of character here, and then price at a powerful level of right resistance here. Alright, you can see after that sweep of that high, price was having contemporary issue breaking above that high. So that is also a sign that price is not ready to fall. Change of character here. You can expect that massive drop all the way to the downside. Alright. So it is that simple. It is that simple. So we are waiting. My target for every day is actually 190. Since I can make below $218 because I can try to make 100, but 190 is my target. Rather, since I'm counter trading, I don't want to target much. You can see my target there. Where I'm targeting, actually, where I'm targeting is this fair value gap here. You can see that fair value gap. So price will fall. Price will fall. Alright, massive all the way to the downside. So we have kind of fair value gap here. That is fair value gap here or imbalance. They are all the same thing. So that's why I'm expecting price to come and fear before maybe even at that reaction. Alright. So we are still waiting. So this is series one. I want you to stick to the end of this video. Alright. You want to stick to the end because you don't want to miss it. Alright. So that is all. I think I sent some signals to my channel. In case you have not joined my Telegram channel, let me show you. In case you have not joined my Telegram channel, I send signals there. Alright, let me show you. It is called the Living Deity FX. Alright, I see signals I'm sending. You can see signals. I also have videos to educate you. Alright, a lot of signals being sent, and people are making money off those signals. Alright, so you want to join. I think I'll keep the link of that video on this my Telegram channel. Uh, you know, after the video, so you can watch it. Alright, you can watch it. So That is all for this. We are still making sure that we meet up our target. All right. So we are still trying to see. We are not expected to buy. All right. So my strategy is actually break and retest combination of um, smart money concept and all that. All right. I look for the bias, look for resistance, look for change of character and all that. Right? So it's 1 to 3. If you got $100, 102, and then after the I will have gotten 190, but that 190 is taking it too far. Right? Take note that what is resting below all these clothes there are all these clothes, we have set side liquidity resting there. Alright. So we have set side liquidity resting there. Take note of that. We have set side liquidity resting there. So that's where I want price to come and take out. So we have set side liquidity resting there. Even this they contain set side liquidity. So that's why I said price will definitely come back. Even this group contains set side liquidity. Alright. That load there contains set side liquidity. That load there contains set side liquidity. That price will come and sweep. Alright. So you don't have any reason to go and start looking for buy now. It is risky. Alright. It is risky. So that is it. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see. I also took a trade on my phone. It's pushing. It's currently pushing. So alright. Yes. That'll be all for now. I'll come back to then we'll see how it goes. Mm, So let's see how it goes. So let's see how it goes. Alright. Stick around. Stick around. Alright. Have a nice day.